Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I have a review of the RAVPower Wireless charger. This device basically is a pretty small, compact way of charging your wireless charging compatible devices. So what this is everything that comes with the box, as well as the box itself. And then we have a manual with tons of different languages. And then we have a USB to wall adapter with an LED to tell you if it is charging or not. Then of course we have the wireless charger itself. So I've been using this wireless charger for a few days now, and one thing I've noticed is it does not charge my phone with the case on it. I have the Samsung Galaxy S4, although I did have to insert a receiver into the back of the Galaxy S4 because it is not wireless charging compatible unless you insert that receiver. So it's not necessarily the strength of the charger itself that is the problem. It might be the receiver in my phone or something like that, but I personally have to take my case off of the phone to charge it. And then the other thing is there is a USB port which you can just pull out this way, and there's a little tab to pull out there. And this USB cable is kind of long, it's not too long, but it's just charged USB. Of course you can use the USB to wall adapter in order to charge it. But what I've noticed is that if you wrap the cable around the charger, and if you overlap the cable in any place, then the USB port doesn't fit back in there. So you have to wrap it perfectly, and you have to just takes a while to wrap back up because you can't just kind of carelessly wrap it back up. You have to wrap it up perfectly, otherwise the USB port will not fit in there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this charger in and show you guys how it works. Okay, so I have in fact plugged in the wireless charger, and what you can see is there is a nice little LED that lets you know that it is in fact plugged in. And on the bottom it's not really any rubber feet or anything to prevent sliding, just kind of a hard, good material. And then we have of course the little thing that the USB port snaps into with little clamps to prevent it from falling out. And they have a nice little rubber ring around the top to prevent your phone from slipping or anything like that while it is charging. So to charge, you simply put your phone on here, and then it says wireless charging. You have placed the device within range and it is now charging wirelessly. And it is really as easy as that. It's just a nice little pod that you can just set your phone on. It makes a beeping sound and then it is now charging. But yeah, so what's nice is that little LED, it turns from red to green when it is in fact charging. So of course, if you guys like to purchase the RAVPower Wireless charger for yourselves, the link will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next review.